Hi friends, I think you are successfully completed your midterm examination. I hope you people are written very well and you are doing very well in the midterm examination. And also one more notification means just yesterday only we got one more news, that is neet 2024 syllabus is released. Okay, in this video we will discuss what are the topics, means what are the chapters added, and which topics are removed and which topics are added, and how to study the neet examination, and which topics are more important, and all these things can be studied. Mainly we are focusing on only which subjects are retained and which portion is deleted. Okay, without wasting your time, we'll start the uh, video, right? Okay, now see, first we'll discuss neet 2024 physics syllabus. Okay, we know already the syllabus is mainly consist of both first year and second year topics. That's why if you want to clear your neet, means you have to study both first year and as well as second year. Okay, those who are in first year, means this is very good opportunity. You people are having very uh, much amount of time you are having, and second year also uh, there is no way, you have to study very well, and accordingly what syllabus is given, and according to that all these things preparation will be made, right? Okay, one by one we'll discuss. For first we'll discuss first year topics, and after that we will discuss second year topics, right? Total year I think 20 units are there, means 19 units are there, for 8 for 9 for first PU units, and another 9 for second PU units. Total it is I think 20 units are there, but 20 units is related to experiments. Okay, that is also we'll discuss in this video, right? I think this video will goes very long, uh, but if you know the topics, if you know the chapter names, and how to plan that, which chapter having more weightage, which topic have less weightage, and how to read all these things one systematic link manner, if you are studying, means well, definitely you will remember all the syllabus of first and second year. Okay, all these things can be discussed in this video, right? Okay, so let us start the video. Unit 1 is there and added here, you see, this is the unit first is there, and same thing, unit second is there, right? Okay, now see, this is the unit first. Here unit first is there, and this is added or remained portion is there, and this is the deleted portion. Okay, this is first year chapters are there, all these things are okay. First chapter is physics and measurements. Okay, in this topic first we will discuss the deleted portions. Okay, what is deleted here? Scope and excitement. Okay, nature of physical laws and physics, technology and society. I think these are the three topics are removed. How physics is related to technology and physics is related to society. Okay, these topics are removed, right? Okay, now what are the topics here remained or retained, means units of measurements. Okay, we know already. System of units also we know. Fundamental derived units, least count is there, and significant figures are there. Errors is there. I think this is removed, I think, but it is given in syllabus right now. Error and measurements is there. Dimension of physical quantity, this is physics quantities or dimensional analysis is there, and its applications, right? Students, I think this chapter contains one or two questions. Definitely this is very important, because this is basic for both first and second PU physics. That's why one or two questions will be arised in neet examination. So this chapter is very important, and also here we have some basic terms. That's why you must and should read the topic, right? Okay, now we move on to the second unit. Okay, unit second is there, what? Kinematics is there. Okay, we know already, this topic is also discussed now. Okay, I think you read about this topic in midterm examination. Okay, directly I'm moving to the deleted portion. What is deleted in kinematics? Okay, elementary concept of differentiation and integration for describing the motion. Okay, this portion is deleted. Okay, what is the remaining means? Now see, frames of reference, motion in a straight line, position time graph is there, speed, velocity, uniform and non-uniform motion is there, average speed is there, instantaneous velocity, uniformly accelerated motion, velocity time, position time graph. Okay, now see, in this topic I think one graph will be there for velocity time graph, position time graph. Okay, whatever, this type of one graph will be there. Okay, mainly focus on the graphs here, right? And scalars, vectors are there, vector addition is there. Okay, vector subtraction is there, scalar and vector products are there. Okay, and also unit vector is there. This comes under types of vectors. Resolution vector is there, relative velocity is there. I think this is removed in theory, but it is kept in neat examination. Okay, next, motion in a plane is there, projectile motion and uniform circular motion, right? All these are the topics related to unit second, that is kinematics. Only deleted topic is this one, right? You remember these topics, and these topics are related. Okay, now move on to the next unit, third unit. Okay, now see, third unit is what? Third unit is a laws of motion, right? Here it is there. Third unit is what? Laws of motion, right? Okay, now see, this is the laws of motion. Okay, what is the deleted portion? Here nothing will be deleted, right? Here all the topics are there. Whatever you are studying in theory purpose, all the topics are here there. Okay, now see, we'll discuss one by one. Right, we'll discuss one by one. Force is there, inertia is there, means these are the basic terms related to the Newton's laws only. This inertia will comes from first law and force is comes from second law, right? Okay, Newton's first law is there. Okay, first law of motion, momentum. Newton's second law of motion is there, impulses. Third law is there. Okay, law of conservation of linear momentum is there and its applications are there. And equilibrium, concurrent forces, static and kinetic friction is there. Laws of friction, this is laws, actually your word is missed. Laws of friction, ruling friction, dynamics of dynamics is there, uniform circular motion and centripetal force is there and its applications are there. Vehicle on a level circular road is there. Okay, and vehicle on a banked road is there. I think in theory these topics are removed, but in NEET these topics are there. You remember these topics, right? Okay, now because of 20 units are there, we will discuss fast, otherwise the video becomes very lengthy. Okay, now we'll discuss fourth unit, that is what? Work, energy, power. Fourth unit is what? Work, energy, power, right? Okay, work, energy, power. I think this is very easiest topic, and also here you see nothing will be deleted here, means all the topics are there, right? Means work done by constant force, variable force, two derivations are there, kinetic and potential energies, work energy theorem is there, this is very important, and power is there. Related to this one question will be there, I think. And potential energy of a spring, conservation of mechanical energy, and conservative and non-conservative forces. Now see, here this topic is also very important, conservative and non-conservative forces. Some examples are there, and I think this topic will having one question, right? Motion in a vertical circular motion is there, elastic and inelastic collision in 1 and 2 dimensions are there, right? Here also we have many problems. Okay, if you are having much time, means you focus on these topics also, right? Okay, now move on to the fifth unit, rotational motion. I think if you are having very good in mathematics, means this topic is very nice and very interesting, because in this topic, now see, what are the deleted portions? Okay, momentum conservation and center of mass. Okay, these topics are deleted here. I think this is the best chapter to study if you are having very good in mathematics, right? Okay, now see, what are the topics? Center of mass is there, mass, center of mass of two particle system is there, and also rigid body is there, and a basic concept of rotational motion is there, moment of force is there, torque, angular momentum, and conservation of angular momentum is there, conservation of angular momentum and its applications are also there, right? Okay, here uh, in upcoming videos we'll discuss what are the relation between these physical quantities, right? Just we will focus on the topics here, right? Just if you focus on the topics, which topics are there, which topic, which chapter contains which topics, if you remember in mind means definitely that will be useful in further study, right? Okay, now see, moment of inertia is there, radius of gyration is there, values of moment of inertia for simple geometrical object, parallel and perpendicular axis theorem is there. In theory, actually these topics are removed, I think. I mean, so only statements are there. I think here we are having one question, right? Okay, now see, applications, equilibrium and rigid bodies and rigid body rotation and equation of rotational motion is there, and comparison of linear and rotational motion is there, right? All these are the topics related to fifth chapter, right? Okay, now I'll discuss sixth chapter, sixth unit, sorry, chapter is not there, unit it is, right? Okay, chapter name is gravitation. I think here one question will be there, for theoretical question will be there, one problematic question will be arise here. Okay, you will get two questions here. This topic, this chapter is, I think this unit is very important, because here we know very well about the gravitation, and also we are studied in high school level also. That's why this is very important. Don't miss this chapter, right? Okay. Okay, now see, what are the deleted portions here? Deleted portions are there, nothing will be deleted here, right? Okay, universal of gravitation is there, acceleration due to gravity is there, its variation with altitude and depth, right? What will happen still? Acceleration due to gravity at depth and altitude, right? Kepler's laws of planetary motion is there, gravitational potential is there, potential energy is there, escape velocity is there, and motion of a satellite, orbital velocity, time period and energy of satellite. I think these topics are very important, because here some formulas are there, and using that formulas you can calculate the time period, energy, okay, orbital velocity, time period and energy we can calculate. Okay, here one question will be there for problematic, right? Okay, now we move on to the unit 7, right? Dear friends, here I think a video will be very lengthy, and don't consider it as a bore. If you know the topics very well means it is useful in further studies. That's why I'm going in this details. Okay, now see, topic or 7th unit. What is that? Properties of solids and liquids are there, right? First we'll discuss on the deleted portion. What are the deleted portion? These are the deleted portions. Okay, we'll read once. Poisson's ratio, elastic energy, Reynolds number. Okay, every year this one question will be there, and Reynolds number, but this time this topic is removed. Anomalous expansion of qualitative idea of black body radiation, Wien's displacement law, greenhouse effect, Newton's law of cooling and Stefan's law. Okay, these are the deleted topics. And what are the topics retained or added? Okay, nothing will be added, only some portions are deleted, remaining as usual it is there. Now see, elastic behavior. Okay, our stress will come, strain will come, right? The relation between these two, and Hooke's law is there, Young's modulus, bulk modulus, modulus of rigidity, pressure due to a liquid column. Okay, Pascal's law will come, and its applications are there, right? Effect of gravity and liquid pressure, fluid pressure, sorry, and viscosity is there, and a terminal velocity is there. Now see, this is very important. On terminal velocity, here we have one formula, and this formula one question will be there on this formula, right? Streamline motion is there, and turbulent is there, and critical velocity is there. Now see, these three questions having one theory question. Okay, when a water is flowing, when it is streamline, when it is turbulent, and when it is, okay, all these things can be asked in questions, right? You remember this topic also. Next, Bernoulli's principle is there, and its applications: surface energy, surface tension, angle of contact, excess pressure across a curved surface. Okay, all these topics are there. Next, applications of surface tension: drops, bubbles, capillary rise, heat, temperature, thermal expansion. I think thermal expansion, this topic will be very important, and change of state, latent heat, and heat Okay, heat transfer one will be the conduction, convection and radiation. Okay, these are the three topics. These topics also very important, right? Okay, now we move on to the which topic? Eighth unit, right? La, 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 la. Okay, eighth topic is, now what is eighth topic? Thermodynamics is there, right? Okay, now see, thermodynamics, only deleted portions are what? Heat engine and refrigerators are deleted. Remaining portions are there. Thermal equilibrium, zeroth law, thermodynamics, concept of temperature, heat, work, all these things, internal energy, right? Okay, next, first law of thermodynamics, thermal and adiabatic pressure. Second law of thermodynamics, reversible and irreversible process are there. In every year, one question will be there on efficiency of heat engine, but this time that topic is deleted. Just left that and read the remaining topics, right? Next, move on to the ninth unit, right? Okay, now see, kinetic theory of gases. The chapter is what? Kinetic theory of gases. This is the ninth unit. And what are the deleted portion? Nothing will be deleted here. Okay, what are the topics? Equation of state of a perfect gas, work done on compressing gas, kinetic theory of gases, assumptions, concept of pressure, kinetic interpretation of temperature, RMS, speed of gas, degree of freedom. Now see, this is very important. Degrees of freedom. Okay, here one question will be there. Law of equipartition of energy, application, specific heat of gases, mean free path and Avogadro's numbers. I think this topic is very important here. Degrees of freedom, right? Next, move on to the ninth unit. Ninth completed. We move on to the 10th one, right? Okay. Now see, unit 10. Okay, oscillations and waves are there. Okay, deleted topics are forced oscillations and resonance and Doppler effect. These three topics are removed, right? And what are the topics are added or remained? These topics are remained. Okay, what are the topics? We'll discuss one by one. Now see, oscillations and periodic motion, time period, frequency, displacement as a function of time, right? Next, periodic function is there. SHM is there, simple harmonic motion, its equation, phase, oscillation of spring, okay, force constant, energy in SHM, kinetic and potential energy, right? And same thing, simple pendulum is there, derivation expression for simple pendulum, and time period is there. Okay, wave motion is there, longitudinal and transverse waves. Okay, these are very important. I think longitudinal, transverse waves. Okay, these topics are very important. Progressive waves, principles of superposition, reflection of waves, standing waves, spring waves, organ. Okay, these are the applications. Okay, all these things can be discussed. And beats are there here. Beats also, this topic is also very important for the point of examination. Okay, students, all these topics are related to first year, no? I think you are all very well these topics, but you are studying in first year means only half syllabus is completed, that will be discussed, right? Okay, now come to the second year topics. Second year topics means unit 11. Right. क्या करने का है जो कर लो, जिंदगी में करने का है जो कर लो. Okay, anyway, we'll discuss deleted portions. Van de Graaff generator, this topic is deleted. And electrostatics, we know already very well. Electric charges, conservation of charge, Coulomb's law is there, force between 2-point charges, right? Force between multiple charges, superposition principle, continuous charge distribution. Okay, these are the topics. Next, field is there, electric field. Electric charges are completed, no, and this is electric field. Electric field due to a point charge, field lines, electric dipole, electric field due to a dipole. This is very important. Torque on a dipole in a uniform magnetic field, uniform electric field. Magnetic field also will come. Okay, that will be discussed in next topic. And what are the electric flux and Gauss law and its applications, field due to infinitely long uniformly charged wire. Okay, straight wire, uniformly charged thin spherical shell is there. Okay, I think all the topics are there. Nothing is deleted, no? Okay, you read all these things, right. Okay, finally, what is there here now? See, these are the conductors, insulator, dielectrics. I think dielectrics, this topic is very important, and capacitors is also very important. One question will be there for diagrammatic here. And combination of capacitors in series and parallel here also this topic I think very important. You solve this topic, definitely question will be there on capacitors either in series or parallel, right? Wait. Right, 11th chapter now we are discussing, right? So it is very lengthy chapter now, right? 11 where it is, this one, right? I think all the topics are discussed now. All right. Energy stored in capacitor will be there here, and I think only formula will be there here. One formula will be there, and related to that question will be arises, right? Okay, I think this video becomes very lengthy. I'll discuss very fast, and we'll discuss 12th unit, that is current electricity. Okay, here also only we'll discuss deleted portion, and remaining portions will be there as per theory, right? What are the deleted topics? Now say deleted topics are carbon resistors, right? Okay, usually one question will be there on that. Carbon resistors are deleted, color code for carbon resistors, and potentiometer and its application. This topic is removed. Okay, last year it will be there, right? Similarly, all the topics are there. We'll discuss and that is discussed in theory, right? Okay, same thing. Now we move on to the 13th unit, magnetic effect of current and magnetism. Okay, only we'll discuss a deleted portion because video is very lengthy, becoming very lengthy. Oersted experiment, cyclotron, magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron, earth magnetic field, its element, electromagnetic and factors affecting the strength of permanent magnets. Okay, these are the removed topics. And what are retained means you are okay, the retained topic is displayed on the screen. You observe these points, right? Okay, next we move on to the 14th. Okay, here it is there, still it is there, right? All these are the topics. Okay, I think this is very important topic is this one, moving coil galvanometer. Here conversion will be there. This one, moving coil galvanometer, its sensitivity, conversion, ammeter to voltmeter. You read this topic. I think one question will be there on that topic, right? Right. Okay, now we move on to the what topic? Which topic? We move on to the 14th unit, electromagnetic induction is there. Okay, here what are the deleted topics? Only LC oscillations, this topic is removed. Remaining electromagnetic induction, Faraday's laws, Lenz's law is there, self and mutual inductance, peak value and RMS value. LCR in series, LCR in okay, power factor, AC generator and transformer. I think transformer, this topic is very important, and also peak and RMS value and Lenz's law. Okay, here this topic is very important. Again, this is mathematical basis there. You read very well. Definitely will solve the problems here, right? Okay, now 14th completed, 15th chapter. Okay, here also there is no deleted topics. Kuch bhi nahi milta hai idhar. All the portion will be there, right? Okay, what are the unit 15? Electromagnetic waves, right? Displacement current, electromagnetic waves, characteristics, transverse nature of electromagnetic wave, electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, this is very important. Here one question will be there, how to remember this one, and what according to their wavelength and according to their frequency, and what are the uses, all these things you have to know very well this one, because this topic is very important, right? Whatever is there, remember that one. Next, unit 16. Oh, this is large, big, sorry, it is a big topic. And I think you boring topic this one also, right? If it is possible means you read selected topics, otherwise you read all the topics, right? Now see what are the deleted portions. Oh, these are the deleted portions, right. Combination of lenses, mirror, dispersion of light through a prism is deleted, scattering of light, blue color of light, reddish at sunrise and sunset, human eye accommodation, eye defects, Resolving power of microscope and astronomical telescope, both the topics are removed. And what are the topics are added means these are the topics you read. Okay, I will just display it on the screen. All these are the topics left, right? Okay, now we'll discuss 17th unit, that is dual nature of radiation and matter is there. Okay, this is very important because small topic, definitely questions will be arise. And what are the deleted portion? This is the deleted portion, right? Division and Germer experiment is there. Okay, now see dual nature of radiation, right? And photoelectric effect, Hertz and Leonard's observation, Einstein photoelectric equation, particle nature of light and matter waves, de Broglie waves. This is very important. De Broglie relation. Okay, I think one question will be there here, right? Okay, now we move on to the 18th unit. Okay, what are the 18th unit? Atoms and nuclei. This is very important. One question will be there here. One or two questions, that is on mass. Okay, this mass binding energy. Okay, what are the topics removed? Radioactivity and their properties and decay loss, means alpha decay, beta decay and gamma decays are there, and all the topics are removed, right? And what are the topics remained? Alpha particle scattering experiment, Rutherford model, Bohr model, hydrogen spectrum, composition. Okay, all these things, whatever is displayed on the screen, the topics are there, right? Now 19th question, sorry, 19th unit, right? Okay, what are the deleted portion here? These topics are deleted. Energy bands, right? Okay, these topics are deleted. And transistors deleted and amplifiers are deleted. In transistor, NPN, PNP are there. Energy bands are there. All these topics are removed, right? Okay, only semiconductor diode is there. IV characteristics forward and reverse bias. IV LED is there. Zener diode is there. Solar cell is there. Photodiode is there. And diode has a voltage regulator and logic gates. I think in logic gate one question will be there, right? OR gate, NAND gate, NOT gate, on OR gate is there, right? Okay, we move on to the last topic. I think it is experimental skills are there. Okay, this is not important. You will okay, these topics are discussed in laboratory because experiments are there. These are, I think in first PUC you are performed these experiments, and second PUC also we have some experiments. Okay, these are the second PUC's experiments, right? Hi students, I think this video is very useful because if you know the headlines and chapters very well, means we can go into the deep dive very easily. Otherwise we cannot dive how much depth it is. First of all, you have to remember all the chapters in your mind, both first year and second year. Then only it is possible to remember all the topics, right? Okay, anyway, I think this is useful to your examination also. And those who are watching until this end, thank you, bye bye, thank you one and all.